Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you would be able to fix when your Chrome is not opening or it's not working on your Windows laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to adjust the time, and you can do that by making a right click here and just select adjust date and time. So just set your date and time, and you can also adjust the time zone here. Just click this drop down button, and if you are done doing that, then please close and just make a or do a quick restart with your device or laptop and see if the Google Chrome is now working. And if it still doesn't work, then let's proceed with the next process. So on our Google Chrome icon, which is in the desktop, please make a right click and then go to properties. Here in this properties window, please click on open file location, and then you will see the location of the Chrome. So the Chrome will be highlighted. All we need to do is just rename it. So to rename it, just click on this button here and then just add number 1 on it and then click on enter and just click on continue. Okay, so our Chrome is now renamed. The next thing we need to do is just make a right click on it again, and then you can pin to start, or you can make a shortcut by clicking on more options and click this send to button here and then create shortcut to desktop. Okay, so after doing that, please make a restart and then see if the Google Chrome is now working. And still, if it doesn't work, then let's proceed with this another process. So in our search tab, please search for command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and here we need to type for NETSH space WINSOCK space reset. It's NETSH space WinSock space reset, and then click on enter. And we have now successfully reset the WinSock catalog. So we must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So just make or just do a quick restart with your computer and see if it's work. See if the Google Chrome is now opening or working. And still, if it doesn't work, then we must proceed with this another process. So on your Windows icon, please make a right click and then click on run, or you can also press Windows key and R key on your keyboard, and then this run window will come up on our screen. So here we need to type appwiz.cpl. So it's appwiz.cpl and then click on OK. And here we have to look for Google Chrome. Okay, so this one. And all we need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on uninstall. And after uninstalling, so just go directly to other browser like Firefox or Microsoft Edge and just type in the URL section, type google.com/Chrome and then hit enter. And then let's just wait for this to be okay. So the loading is now finished, and you will see an option that you can now download Chrome. So once you have downloaded now Chrome on your device, please do install it, and you will be now able to see to use the Google Chrome on your device. And all your bookmarks and the favorite sites that you have will now be restored. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one.